कुछ ठीक ठाक है. You have to worry about winning seats and forming a government because the opposition is all sorted. Small differences will be papered over. सब कुछ चंगा है. Respond please.
शुरुआत में एक शायरी याद आ रही है, ख्याल हो या हो हकीकत या हो फसाना, वो निस्ती हो या हस्ती हो, तिलिस्म खाना. तो मुझे लगता है कि तिलिस्म खाना है. और देखिए आज एक वैसा दिन है कि टुडे यू हैव सीन दैट इंडियाज इकोनॉमी हैज एडेड 1.75 ट्रिलियन इन लास्ट 9 years. We have added 2 trillion in last 60 years and 1.75 trillion in the last 9 years. We are the fastest growing economy. It's part of your second debate that we are the bright spot. So on the one hand you have Modi with a mission and vision, and on the other hand you have a jamavda of those who are there for family ka political profession, commission, corruption and ambition for position. And therefore forget chehra. I am not even asking who your chehra is, but because the Morgan Stanley report has said that stability is essential for this kind of economic growth, we must know what is the agenda. And let us ask only 3 basic questions. On the front of economy and corruption, does the Congress party and Mr. Bansal agree that Manish Sisodia is being hounded by the agencies, or is Manish Sisodia corrupt? On the issue of national security and national importance, Article 370's removal was supported by Aam Aadmi Party. Is the Aam Aadmi Party today in support of it, or is it with the Congress? It is against the abrogation of Article 370. And on the issue of an issue that the Aam Aadmi Party itself had said that the Congress, the Lalu Prasad Yadav's party, the party of RJD, party of Samajwadi Party, all of them are head to toe in corruption. Have they taken back that stand, or are they continuing with that stand? And on the issue of constitution, save the constitution. Today Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has said constitution is being butchered in West Bengal by TMC. The Aam Aadmi Party is saying ordinance hatao, constitution bachao. Congress party saying nothing doing. So on these 3 fundamental agendas, are they seeing eye to eye? They are not seeing eye to eye, and therefore the people of this country are very smart. They know that we can't go back into the era of the 90s where Deve Gowda was propped up, then Inder Kumar Gujral was propped up, वो सरकारें बनी, बगबिगड़ी गिरी. इस प्रकार की कांग्रेस की जो राजनीति थी गठबंधन की, people have rejected it, but some people want to drive their car in reverse gear, and therefore they want to continue to take India backward. But the people have moved ahead, and they want a mission and vision, not this family profession and political corruption.
Let me get in.